Welcome back to SpaceX Saga, the channel where we bring you the most exciting developments from beyond our world. In today's episode, SpaceX completes a major milestone as it prepares for Flight 11, the most powerful rocket launch in human history. Meanwhile, NASA makes a discovery on Mars that could rewrite everything we know about life on the Red Planet. And Japan? They're attempting something no one's ever done, landing on a tiny, fast-spinning asteroid. Buckle up, we're going interplanetary. It's official, SpaceX has completed its first critical ship test for the Flight 11 campaign, and it's moving fast. After the success of Flight 10, expectations are sky-high, and Elon Musk's team is pushing full throttle. The journey hasn't been smooth. Ship 38's test campaign hit 2 scrubs on back-to-back days in September. But in classic SpaceX style, the team adapted quickly, resetting for new tests just days later, September 22nd. The quick disconnect arm pulls back. The steel chopsticks lock into position, venting from the orbital tank farm signals that fuel loading is underway. Frost lines begin to snake across Ship 38. The countdown is real. Then, ignition. A single sea-level Raptor engine roars to life, shaking the Texas coast as it fires at full power. 230 tons of thrust, smoke billowing into the sky. No anomalies, no cutoffs. A full-duration static fire. Success. This isn't just a test. It's a green light for stacking Ship 38 onto Booster 15, the mighty Super Heavy stage. Flight 11 is not just another test. It's a proving ground for full hardware reuse. Booster 15 contains engines that have flown before. And if it performs as expected, SpaceX will achieve something no one else on Earth has: true heavy launch vehicle reusability. But when will it fly? Current predictions suggest a launch window within the next 30 to 45 days. That's aggressive, but not impossible. The record turnaround between Flight 5 and Flight 6 was 37 days, a timeline that now seems within reach. While SpaceX sets its sights on the Moon and Mars, NASA's own Mars program just dropped a scientific bombshell. The Perseverance rover has been hard at work inside Jezero Crater, a dried-out lakebed thought to have held water billions of years ago. Using the PXL instrument and a newly developed algorithm called MIST, scientists have just uncovered a hidden geological story, and with it, potential evidence of ancient life. The mineral analysis revealed a timeline of environmental change. At first, Jezero was hot, acidic, not exactly life-friendly. But then came the shift. More neutral, alkaline water phases. Minerals like minotite and sepiolite began forming. And on Earth, those are directly linked to habitable environments. Even more intriguing, sepiolite was found across all the areas Perseverance explored, suggesting that the entire region may have once been capable of supporting microbial life. Lead researcher Eleanor Morland of Rice University explained it best. Each episode of volcanic rock meeting liquid water created a possible window for life. And this didn't happen once. It happened multiple times. But here's the catch: we still don't have the full picture. NASA's next step, a sample return mission, is vital. Yet there's no final plan in place to bring those Mars samples home. And while NASA works out logistics, China is moving fast with its own Mars ambitions. If SpaceX's Starship can reach full operation, it may well be the vehicle that returns the first Mars samples to Earth, or carries the first humans to follow the water trails Perseverance is now uncovering. Let's shift from the vast Martian plains to one of the tiniest targets in the solar system. Japan's Hayabusa 2 spacecraft is preparing for a rendezvous like no other, with Asteroid 1998 KY KY-26. This object is just 11 meters wide. That's smaller than a tennis court, and it spins once every 5 minutes. That combination, small size and fast rotation, has never been tackled before. It's like trying to land a drone on a spinning top in zero gravity, millions of miles from Earth. And here's the kicker. The original mission design was based on old data, which said KY-26 was about 30 meters wide and rotated every 10 minutes. Updated observations from ESO's Very Large Telescope in Chile proved that estimate wrong. Mission scientists now face a radical engineering challenge. But with challenge comes reward. If Hayabusa 2 succeeds, it won't just set a record. It could unlock insights into the structure of small, fast-rotating asteroids, which could help us build better planetary defense strategies. Why? Because many near-Earth objects are similar in size to KY-26. The Chelyabinsk impactor in 2013 was only about 20 meters wide, and it injured over 1,000 people. Understanding how these bodies behave could help us deflect or destroy dangerous ones before they reach Earth. And as for asteroid mining, missions like this are step one in making that dream a reality. From Starbase to Jezero Crater, from asteroids to interplanetary launches, humanity is stepping into a new chapter of space exploration. SpaceX's Flight 11 could redefine how rockets are reused. NASA's Mars research might confirm that life once existed beyond Earth, and Japan's daring asteroid mission could protect us from future impacts. These are not isolated stories. They are all connected by one common thread: the drive to explore, discover, and protect our place in the universe. Whether it's building the largest rocket ever flown, finding ancient water trails on Mars, or landing on a space rock the size of a car, every mission is a step forward. And if you're watching this, you're part of that journey. What do you think about SpaceX's Flight 11 timeline? Do you believe we'll find life on Mars? And can Japan pull off the impossible on KY-26? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a moment in the SpaceX saga. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep looking up.